Welcome to Grow with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to be making vegan stuffed shells, one of my favorite vegan recipes. Let's get cooking. We'll start off by roasting some butternut squash. You're going to want to heat your oven to 400 degrees. Pick about a 2 to 3 pound butternut squash, cut it into 1-inch cubes, and toss with a little olive oil, some Italian seasoning, and put on a roasting pan. Roast until they are fork tender. Take them out of the oven, set them aside. You will be using them. Next, we're going to make the cream for these delicious shells. Add 1 cup of roasted unsalted cashews, 3/4 of a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice, a clove of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Put them all in a powerful blender like a Blendtec, high speed until the mixture is creamy, smooth, and so delicious. By the way, it's your nutritional yeast that adds that nice cheesy taste to your shells. Next, you want to cook approximately 12-ounce package of shells. There'll be more shells than you need, so if you want to double the filling and freeze a pan of shells, that would be great. If not, use about half of that package. Cook them till they're al dente, drain them, and set them aside. In addition to that, you want to cook some spinach. You will want to cook approximately 4 cups of raw spinach. Microwave it till it's wilted and soft, and it's now ready for your filling. So let's make the filling. To make the filling, use 1 package of extra firm tofu, crumble it into a bowl, add your cooked spinach and your cream to that bowl, about 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, and some Italian seasoning. You can use more if you like. Be generous with the salt. Mix this all up and then add your roasted butternut squash. Gently mix the squash as it is soft and will kind of come apart. If you like it more mixed in, you can. I like to see chunks of sauce or chunks of butternut squash in my shells. Now it's time to fill the shells. Take a baking pan about 8 by 11. Add a cup of your homemade marinara sauce, or purchased if you don't have homemade. I happen to have just made a batch of homemade marinara and added it to the bottom, about a cup to the bottom of the baking dish. Stuff your shells with your filling that you just made and arrange them in your baking dish. This recipe makes approximately 20 to 24 shells. Once you have your shells all stuffed and arranged in your baking dish, put some more marinara on top of them, approximately 1 to 2 cups. You may have a little marinara left over. Then cover your baking dish with some foil. Bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes or until everything is hot. Because you don't have cheese in this dish, it will look very similar after it comes out of the oven than before it went into the oven. But it is delicious, and enjoy your vegan stuffed shells. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Grow with Dr. Joe.